premiumbeat.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Jérôme Kowa, Product Marketing Manager for Desoutter Aerospace. We'll present you today Desoutter and CT line solutions to accelerate your transformation towards the Aerospace 4.0 factories. We will follow an aerostructure production process, one of the most challenging in the industry. Really high quality and traceability requirements, a wide variety of applications and areas of expertise, such as manual drilling, feature drilling, temporary fastener installation, fastening, sealing or measurement. Desoutter 4.0 is all about connecting departments, connecting people, connecting robots, and obviously connecting smart tools. With Pivotware, Desoutter process control solutions, you are controlling and managing all of those equipments. You make sure that the right operator carries out the right operation at the right time with the right equipment and the highest level of quality. It provides the operator guidance either on the Pivotware Infinity screen designed for the static workstations, as well on portable HMI, which is more designed for flexible assembly lines. Driven by innovation, Desoutter and CT are offering the widest range of smart connected tools covering a wide range of aerospace applications. Let's start the process with manual drilling by using the new XPB multifunctional battery tool. With this RFID interchangeable head design, this tool is more than a drill. It's a real platform covering a wide range of applications. Drilling with adjustable speed, reaming, installing temporary fasteners, tightening to some small diameters, all this is possible with this new tool. Packed with smart functions, your tool will reduce your quality issues. Now let's move to advanced drilling with the CT Evo. Virtually, you're holding a CNC machine where you can control all of the drilling parameters, adjusting to the material drill, optimizing your cycle time, managing your cutting tool lifetime, as well as ensuring the highest level of quality. Now we've drilled the holes, let's assemble the parts together. Integrating logistics and production is one of the targets and the benefits of the Industry 4.0. When it comes to tightening, the ABCOM ensures the highest level of quality, durability, robustness, as well as the full flexible system with its interchangeable head design. Quality is one of the key words in the aerospace, and obviously, quality measurement system from Desoutter as the Delta range can be fully integrated into a process control environment. Once the process is finalized, you will get access to all of the traceability information. You will know where, by whom, with which tool each of the operation has been carried out. As aerospace application experts, Desoutter and CT have the tools and solutions to boost your flexibility, boost your uptime and boost your productivity.